Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kapabans. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. So today I'm excited to showcase this brand new community by Shea Homes. They are all single level, okay? And they are really nice. They have actually really good lot sizes as well, okay? Enough to actually put a pool in the back. Some actually has a lot size that you could put a detached casita and garage. And I'll go ahead and I'll explain all of that, or I'll go more into detail at the end of this video. Today I'm going to be showcasing this floor plan 6004. It is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage. Total square feet is 4,002. Okay, now this is the model home, so it will have a lot of upgrades, okay? But what's really nice is that looking through this model home, you can see exactly, what upgrades that, you potentially may want to include if you decide to build from the ground up. You will also see what you can fit in the backyard, how things are positioning with this model home. So, it's a really great feature to see, how model homes look like, okay? Stick around to the end of this video. I'll go ahead and I'll talk about the HOA of this community, what's nearby this community, Chandler itself. Like, let's talk about Chandler as well, because I live here in Chandler, Arizona. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out plan 6004. Okay, so right in front of this community, that is Riggs Road. Now, Riggs Road runs all the way to Queen Creek if you're heading east. Okay, so if you follow this road, you'll eventually hit Queen Creek and also Santan Valley. All right, and then if you go west, you can go ahead and go on I-10 and also State Route 347, in which you could go to Maricopa City. A lot of access points in Riggs Road. Okay, so very convenient. All right, so here are 3 out of the 4 model homes. Okay, so really nice. Now this one is the 600 floor plan. This is the one I'll be showcasing today. All right, and this is their exterior elevation V. Now again, each home will have 3 different exterior elevations, okay? They'll have a modern, transitional, and also a valley. Each of those will have its own unique look, but nonetheless, it is really beautiful. And this is what Shea Homes is known for. Okay, if you don't know who Shea Homes, the builders are, they are like the builder of the year for a few years straight, but really nice. Let's go take a look. So walking up to, the front door, you have a nice walkway area. Now, take a look at this door. This is an upgraded door, obviously. But this door is like that swivel type. So if you push it, that is a beautiful feature there. Okay, so with this floor plan, okay, you have 10 feet in the common, or 12 feet in the common areas, and then 10 feet everywhere else. Okay, so we're in the foyer area right now. As you can see, if we continue down, the ceiling rises to that 12 feet, but foyer area, very nice, very open. As soon as you walk through the front door, you do have a multi-use room over here, all right, with 2 bedrooms. So this is a great area for the 2 bedrooms here located in the front of the house. Here's bedroom number 1. Now this bedroom does have a walk-in closet and also a 3/4 bath. Okay, moving to the other room. Each of these rooms look like it is the same size. Okay. And here is another 3/4 bath here. And then also their walk-in closet. Okay, so continuing down, if we turn around this corner here, here is a half bath. Nice little seating area with a wet bar, wine fridge, gas fireplace here. And as you can see, this is where the common area is, where it rises up to 12 feet. That's awesome. Okay, and here is the kitchen. And this is a gourmet style kitchen. Now, as you can see with the gourmet style kitchen, but here, as you can see, is a very nice quartz countertop, and they made a waterfall here. The gourmet kitchen, you know, you have double ovens there, actually double microwaves as well. Gas cooktop with a pot filler there. Here is the fridge. And also Sub-Zero appliances. So what's standard is your Frigidaire appliances, but here with the upgraded kitchen, you do have the Sub-Zero appliances. Okay, around the corner here, nice area to put your coffee and everything, and a large pantry. Beautiful open concept here. A lot of natural lighting. I mean, you can see that there's windows everywhere. I mean, you have a 5-panel sliding door there. You have a 2-panel sliding door here. I mean, off of the seating area there, you have another sliding door. There is just a lot of natural lighting coming into this house. Okay, so here is the dining area. Okay, and then also the main living space. Now it does look like these sliding doors stack on each other, so that is really nice. So you'll open that all the way up, and now you just have a lot of air coming into the house, and you know, you have all that entertainment inside and outside. Okay, so this one as well, you see you have a 4-piece sliding door here, also stacks. So that is really awesome. Okay, so on the other side of this house, just right off of this wet bar, okay, this leads to the 3-car garage. Here's the 3-car garage. Nice and tall height here in the garage. You have a tankless water heater there. Okay, you have a utility door access. Okay, so right off of the garage, here is your laundry room. And I'm assuming that it leads to the primary closet there. But before we walk through there, there's like this gym area over here. Take a look at this. Now let's go ahead and take a look outside. Definitely want to show you guys the outside. Let's go ahead and open this up. And there you go. So it stacks just like that. Love the seating area here. Anybody else thought of Mr. Miyagi when they saw this tree? I mean, it's no bonsai tree, but this is pretty sweet that it's in the middle of the house. Okay, so again, model home, it will showcase everything, you know, that could potentially fit in your backyard. So fire pit area here, that's sunken in fire pit, very beautiful. S'mores night, you have a nice little seating area right here. Okay, and as we continue to walk down, we have a very nice pool here. Nice seating area there, little turf, waterfall feature. This looks like a jacuzzi just over there as well. So you have a jacuzzi, pool area, but this is amazing. So every piece of this backyard definitely has been utilized to its max potential, but I mean, this is the backyard that you definitely want. I mean, I would put in a outdoor kitchen somewhere probably, you know, maybe where that seating area is. But nonetheless, this is a beautiful, beautiful backyard. Okay guys, so that was the home tour. I hope that you enjoyed it. So let's go ahead and talk about the HOA. So the HOA in this community is $187, okay? What that gets you, or what that covers, is the common areas. You have playgrounds in this community, walking paths, there's picnic areas, and there's also sports courts in this community as well. Not to mention that this community will be also gated, so that is a nice feature. Okay, again, the total home sites in this community is only 93 home sites. There's actually only 2 home sites in this community that has the capability of having a detached casita and a casita with a garage. So if you don't want the garage feature with your casita, there's only 2 home sites that has that capability. Okay, if you want some more information on that, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll go ahead and share those 2 home sites with you. The average lot size in this community, you're looking at about 10,000 square feet. Okay, now there are a few home sites that are located in the back of this community. Okay, there's about 10 or just over 10 of those. Okay, those will be over 16,000 square feet. So if you're looking for more of an oversized lot, you know, those ones in the back are going to be over 16,000 square feet, all right? Now, as far as lot premium goes, you know, depending on the home site, whether it be a corner lot, a home site that is in the middle between 2 homes, you know, one of those back homes as well with no neighbors in behind you, okay, your lot premium will dictate how much that will be, all right? So keep that in mind. Now, build out times, if you are not going to purchase a move-in ready home, you could expect anywhere between 7 to 12 months as far as build out times. Now, right now, they are not currently doing any pre-sales. They just opened up the model homes. So there's 3 model homes out of the 4 that you could preview here. The model homes displayed in this community is a plan 6003, 6004, and the 6001. The one that's not displayed is their 6002, okay? Each of the floor plans here, you will see the different exterior elevation. Again, there are all single level floor plans here, so there's no two-story homes that's going to be built in this community. So that is a really great feature of this community as well. Now, as far as like accessibility wise, let's talk about Chandler, Arizona in general, okay? Chandler, Arizona is one of the top rated, if not the top rated school district here in Arizona, okay? Where this community is located, you're on Riggs Road, okay? On Riggs Road, whether you go east or west, you could go east and go all the way down to Queen Creek. Queen Creek, you do have a Fry's Marketplace there. You know, Queen Creek has its own vibes. You have Santan Regional Mountain, although it's a Santan Regional Mountain, it is still a Queen Creek address, so that's, really awesome. You also have Albertsons just going west of this community as well. And so there's just a lot of grocery stores. You're nearby great restaurants as well. You're 10 minutes away from downtown Chandler, which has really awesome vibes there as well. Very close to Gilbert, Arizona, 202 loop. So if you work in the city in Phoenix, or if you need to get, West Valley side as well, there's numerous accessibility as far as getting to where you need to go to, okay? As far as the airport goes, you're about 30 minutes to the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. So it is very close if you're gonna be traveling, to a different state or wherever. Phoenix Sky Harbor is only a 30-minute drive from South Chandler, okay? So again, this is a brand new community here in South Chandler. They just opened up actually this last Saturday. You could come by and you could go see any of these model homes. But if you have any questions or if you want to book, your own private tour, feel free to reach out to me. I'll absolutely love to help you out. Again, my name is Kuya Oscar. This is Selling AZ. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.